Morning everyone. In today's video I'm going to be doing a realistic morning routine. So excuse the way I look horrendous, but this wouldn't be a realistic morning routine if I didn't film myself in bed like this, because let's be honest, who sleeps in bed with makeup? Not me. It's now 19 minutes past 7, as you can see. As you saw in the last clips, my alarm wakes me up, and also my cat. Yeah, she's always here with me in the morning, waking me and nudging me. Make sure you press that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, let's carry on with my morning routine. So in the morning, as you can see, I am just going through my Instagram feed and just liking a few pictures that are on there. I'll spend a little bit of time on there, and then I'll go on to my YouTube and just see what videos I have to catch up on. So now I've been on YouTube for a bit, it's now 7:45, so I'm gonna get myself up and ready. Now I am up and had a wee and I've brushed my teeth. Now I'm gonna hop in the shower because I need to get this greasy mess of hair washed and myself washed. So I'm just gonna hop in the shower and then we'll go from there. So the weather today is meant to be amazing. As you can see, it gets up to 22 to 23 degrees. Oh, excuse my awful nails as well. They're all chipping off. I need to do them again. I'm going to have to pick clothes today that are going to go with this weather. We've been getting amazing weather at the minute. Before I get properly dressed, I'm just going to put some joggers and just a baggy t-shirt on, just while I dry my hair and maybe go downstairs and get some breakfast. I never do my makeup or my hair in my clothes that I'm going to be wearing for the day, just because my hair molts everywhere. If that's not realistic, then I don't know what is. So I always pick out some joggers and then maybe a baggy top if I can find one in there. As you can see, my drawer is a mess, but that is my drama drawer, so just excuse that. So I'm going to pick out some clothes and then we will see what we're doing next. If you think the background's changed, I've just sat down in my mum's bedroom because I always dry my hair in my mum's room because she's got the Dyson hairdryer. I love the Dyson hairdryer because it just dries my hair so quick, and because my hair's so long, it just takes forever with a normal hairdryer. So I always use mum's hairdryer and a few of her products as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this awful towel off my head and then dry my hair. I look like Hagrid. I'm then going to add some more of this Coco Loco spray. It smells peng. It smells of coconuts. So nice. My mum will probably kill me for using all this, but I do use it all the time. Because she gets some good hair products. So I just spray that. Oh, that's my hairbrush. Oh, it's there. So I just spray that on and then brush it through. So it's just like heat protectant spray, really. So that's why I do it before I blow dry my hair. And then I spray it on afterwards, so then it's ready for when I straighten it. Oh. So that's my hair, kind of done. It'll do for now. I need to straighten it later, but I'm filming another video today which will lead on from this one. So I'm gonna straighten my hair in that video. Let's go downstairs and we'll go get some. So nice outside today, look at that sun. Right, I'm just gonna chuck my brush on my bed. Hang the towel up on here, because that is what I normally do. Right, let's go downstairs and get some breakfast. I'm gonna just have some cereal, but I don't know what I want. So I've got some Cheerios, Special K, Golden Nuggets, Crave. I don't know what that is. I think it's like a mixture of Cookie Crisp and like, I don't know what they are. What else have we got? Ew. No, thank you. I think I might have some Golden Nuggets. Yeah, let's go for Golden Nuggets. Yes, I am weird before you ask. I do like my cereal warm. I've just sat down to eat my breakfast. I am on my sister's phone because I want to watch the latest video that Hannah Renee has uploaded, and it's like 24 minutes long, so I thought I could watch a little bit of it while I eat my breakfast. But obviously because I'm filming on my phone, I was filming on my camera, so I'm now filming on my phone because my camera's on charge, just so then it's ready for the other video that I said I'm going to be filming. So yeah, I'm just going to be watching Hannah's new video which she's uploaded. So yeah, I'm gonna just watch that while I eat my breakfast. So I've just got that phone propped up against my cat's cat food. But I've ate all my breakfast, so now I'm gonna stop this video here. I've only literally watched 3 minutes of it, but I'll watch the rest of that later because I need to continue on getting ready. So I'm back upstairs now. As you can see, I'm just sat on my bed. So the last things that I need to do is just pick out my clothes for the day, which I still don't have a clue what I'm gonna wear because I never do when it's like this in England. It's just not normal. So I'm gonna have to get some summer clothes out, I think, because if it's getting up to like 22 to 23 degrees today, I do not want to be in leggings and a jumper, which I normally wear. I'm just gonna end the video here because, like I said in a few clips previous to this one, I think it was when I was drying my hair, I'm filming another video today, so that is when I'm gonna be doing my makeup. So I'm not going to include that in this video, but sometimes I don't even do my makeup in the morning. Well, actually that's a lie. Most of the time I don't do my makeup unless I'm going out for the day or I'm filming. So yeah, turns out today that I'm going to be filming a video, so I'm going to be doing my makeup within that video. And I won't pick out my clothes until after the video is filmed because I always get makeup everywhere, so I'd rather keep my little chill clothes on. Yeah, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please smash that like button if you did, and don't forget to press that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me, and maybe even that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, my arm is really aching now. Oh, so if this wasn't a realistic morning routine, I don't know what is. Oh my god, I'm so shaky. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!